Hello and welcome to this meditation. So finding yourself a comfortable position. Allow your body to settle, your hands to rest easily, your eyes to close. Taking a deep breath in and letting go with a long breath out. Feel the weight of your body supported by the ground beneath you. And imagine gentle roots extending from your body, anchoring you deep into the earth. With each breath in, draw stability from the earth. Feel yourself nurtured by Mother Earth. And with each breath out, let go of any tension, distractions, separation. Breathing in, breathing out. Gather yourself up and bring yourself here into this moment. Arrive here, arrive now, whole, present, and at peace. Welcoming everything into this moment. Breathing in stability, breathing out, letting go of anything not serving you. Imagine yourself now walking through the vibrant streets of India. Around you, life unfolds in many forms. The ringing of a temple bell, the call to prayer from a mosque, the laughter of children, the chanting of monks. Every sound feels different, and yet together they form one great symphony. See what you see, hear what you hear. Enjoy the colours and the vibrancy. Enjoy the hustle and the bustle. And as you see yourself moving through the street, you notice Hindu families lighting diyas, Sikh communities preparing food, and Buddhists in silent meditation, Christians in prayer. You notice it all, for it all happens in the streets of India. Each path looks unique, but all are here, reaching for the same truth: love, connection, the divine. Now imagine walking further into nature. The same unity reveals itself there. Rivers and mountains, forests and skies, all different, all essential, all connected. See yourself in nature now. See yourself at the foot of the Himalayas, the vastness of the mountains. You're by the side of a river, and as you look across, you can't help but admire the beauty and the strength of the Himalaya mountains. snow on the cap of the mountain. Absolutely stunningly beautiful. Takes your breath away. Everything all connected. And as you witness this diversity, from what you saw in the street and what you witnessed in nature, feel a shift within. Separation dissolves. The boundaries of religion, culture, how we look, identity fall away. Breathe in deeply and silently affirm, we are many. We may be different, but we are all one. Now imagine standing by that river again. Every drop that flows past comes from different streams, but they all merge here, moving as one. You are like that river, made of countless experiences, yet always whole. Visualize your heart at the meeting point of this oneness. Every person you've met, every tradition you've seen, every experience you've carried flows into your heart and becomes light, a vast radiant light that holds all without division. Rest here for the moment, feeling at one. Repeat silently with your breath. Breathe in, I am one. Breathe out, we are one. Every breath, I am one. Every breath out, we are one. I am one, we are one. I am one, we are one. And just allow yourself to rest in this truth. You are not separate. You are not alone. You are part of the whole, and the whole is part of you. Feeling love, feeling connected and feeling part of the divine. For it's all you. You are not separate. You are not alone. You are part of it all, part of the whole, and the whole is part of you. Bring your awareness gently back to your body. Feel the steady rhythm of your breath, the beating of your heart, the ground beneath you. Take one deep breath in of unity and breathe out peace. No separation. You are it all. Whisper silently or out loud. I am one with all that is. The divine lives in every heart. I walk in unity always. I am one with all that is. The divine lives in every heart, including mine. I walk in unity always. And when you're ready, open your eyes slowly. Carry this sense of oneness into your day, seeing each encounter as part of yourself, part of the whole, part of the great magic of life. Namaste.